Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly managed and no further charges occur. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Adobe website. Log in with your Adobe ID and password. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Plans section to view your current Creative Cloud subscription details. Step 4. Click on Manage Plan next to your active subscription to see available options. Step 5. Select Cancel Plan or cancel your plan from the options displayed. Step 6. Adobe may offer you a discount or alternative plan to keep you subscribed. If you still want to cancel, click Continue with Cancellation. Step 7. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. Note that depending on your plan, you may be charged an early termination fee if you cancel before the end of your contract period. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation from Adobe verifying that your subscription has been cancelled. Keep this email for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.